Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking. So today I'll be showing you how I make this gorgeous, beautiful Senegalese braid. So beautiful, can you see it guys? Wow, this is so beautiful. I'll be showing you everything that I use in this. I use 3 colors of attachments to make this braid and a hairband to part it so that it will be easy for me to hold. I also have a video coming up where I made my braid without adding any hairband. Please watch out for it. If you live in Europe or you live abroad, please let me know the struggle of making hair. The struggle of making your hair done is something else when you live abroad. You know, when you have your money and you'll be looking for someone to make your hair, it will be so difficult. So this video will help you and teach you on how to make your hair yourself at home. And it will help you to save a lot of money. And it was so impressive, beautiful, and save a lot of coin. Are you watching my video for the very first time? Thank you so much for clicking. I really appreciate. Please don't make it your last. Hit that subscribe button, like this video, share, leave your comment at the comment section, hit the notification bell to get notified anytime I post great content like this. What do you think about this hair? Is it giving? Is it loving? Is it beautiful? Do you like it? Please leave your thoughts at the comment section and I will really appreciate it. So thank you so much. Let me not talk much on this video. Let's just keep watching.